What's up, superstars? I'm here with Frank. He's going to tell us how S&S Activewear can help you out. So, what's a hit right now? What's really new, actually?
So we have the Toltex 602 right here. This is 100% ring spun cotton, 36 singles, and this is like fashion fit, comparable to your Bella Canvas 3001, your next level 3600, all from Toltex.
All right.
Really hot right now. You can see the style on here. This is a screen print, high density print. Looks really cool.
Okay, awesome, man. And what's more popular right now too, as well? And instead of that, I know that's more new, but what's popping? T-shirt-wise,
T-shirt-wise,
yeah.
Bella Canvas is still a big name. Next level, Gildan soft style. They've had some new up-and-comers with the 67,000. 64,000 is still a popular style, and all of those are really great for when you're doing DTF transfers.
Hey, I like that. That's awesome. With S&S Activewear, what's your guys' most popular T-shirt right now too, as well?
I would say it's going to be the Toltex 202 or the Toltex 602.
Hey,
602 is a new guy on the street.
Okay, well, in category-wise, what would you guys put you guys self? Like in a category-wise?
Categorize?
Like streetwear, what do you guys do more?
So when we're talking about different categories, I would say like the 602, what I keep talking about, is more of a fashion fit. But if you're looking for like a streetwear, the American Apparel 1301 is a great shirt to use.
Okay.
If you're looking for a value tee, just your basic, the Gildan 5000. It still has sort of a streetwear look too, but it has that, it's the budget-friendly shirt, and it's really great for transfers as well.
That's awesome. All right, cool. Tell us a little bit more about the company, S&S Activewear.
So S&S Activewear, we've been around for over 30 years. We're one of the largest distributors. We have, I think, 8 warehouses in the U.S. We can hit 98% of the country with a one-day ship, and minimum order is 1. So if you don't have an account with S&S Activewear, go to ssactivewear.com, register for an account.
Hey, oh, that's awesome. That easy. Wow.
Yeah, that's easy.
All right, well, cool. Is there any other brands that you guys also kind of partner up with? Is there any?
We do have some exclusive brands. Toltex would be one of those. M&O. I talked about that budget-friendly shirt. M&O is a great brand to choose. The style 4800 would be comparable to the Gildan 5000. But then we have other, exclusive brands like Adidas. Adidas is one of the hottest brands out there.
Yeah.
If you're looking at DTF, the Adidas 100% polyester polos with recycled polyester, it's great for DTF.
Yeah.
Embroiderers hate 100% polyester polos. So DTF, on an Adidas polo is great. We have other brands like Richardson Cap, independent trading. Another thing about DTF, it goes great on fleece. So if you're looking at independent trading company, like what you're wearing right here, that fleece, DTF transfers look good on it. So looking at like the SS 4500 hoodie, it's a great style that's in fleece to use with DTF transfers. And then we also have Columbia. I said Richardson Cap. We have Oakley. There's a whole section of Oakley over there. A lot of that is, athletic, and DTF goes great with that.
No, that's really good. I appreciate that too as well.
Yeah.
I do have one more question. Again, I already probably know the answer to it, but it's coming as a green. Someone that's really new to this wants to know what kind of shirts that really work really well with transfers. I know it's, again, the answer to this, but can you say it one more time for them in the camera?
I say DTF transfers can go on anything.
Yeah.
But there's a lot of bags, like this bag that we have here, things that are hard to decorate when it comes to screen printing or embroidering, caps. DTF is great for that. So I would say, right there, bags right off. But if you're looking at apparel, look at the Toltex line, the 202. That's a great start for transfers. And then if you're going to get into fleece, Toltex also has a fleece line as well.
Sweet. Well, thank you so much, Frank.
All right.
Thank you for being on video.
All right.
I hope you have a great one. Guys, have a good one.